Session of TS Academy, we will discuss cargo and good in transit insurance. Insurance of goods in transit from cognizor to cognizee or anywhere in the world as export or import automatically within the country can be dealt as cargo insurance, which speaks about insurance of goods themselves against loss or damage related to value of goods involved. It deals with various types of goods, their interest, properties, packing methodologies, mode of conveyance, possible transit risk associated with each cargo, the type of insurance cover required, clauses that go with the policies, former measures of indemnity, etc. Thus, cargo insurance deal with insurance of goods themselves, whereas in contrast, goods in transit insurance deal with various legal liabilities of the bearers of those goods they are in their country from seller to buyer or from cognizor to cognizee. When a buyer intends to buy goods after due inquiry from a seller in different country and place of purchase, order with the proper specification incorporating terms of sale, the story begins when the supplier entrusts the goods to a freight forwarder, who is then chosen in his freight contractor. Right from the goods are loaded into the land carrier, moves in the ordinary course of voyage until taken delivery of at named destination. There is bound to be involvement of various bailies under whose custody good is transit passed through. They have responsibilities, rights, and enjoy immunities. Need of for marine insurance. Because we cannot think of a situation where high value goods are shipped without marine insurance. Because we cannot imagine a banker lending money to exporter without collateral security of insurance policy. Responsibility of arranging insurance. Who should arrange the insurance? That is, marine insurance depends on the terms of sale. Incoterms 2000 provides set of standard terms that spell out responsibilities, rights and obligations of the parties to a contract, including definition of critical point during transit of goods when the risk of loss or damage is transferred to seller and to buyer. This crucial stage becomes decisive factor in deciding who should arrange the insurance. Containers are used in two ways: full containers loaded and less than containers loaded. Documentary collection is less secure than documentary credit. However, it is cheaper. Under this, the seller orders his bank to collect the purchase price from the buyers against the transfer of shipping documents. There are two methods of payment for it. One is DP, that is document against payment, where immediately the payment is released in full amount, and second is document against acceptance, when buyer has signified acceptance on the bill of exchange, draft or other payment authority enclosed in the collection. Buyer has to make payment on or before an agreed date. Charter parties. A charter is one person who hires a ship for the carriage of goods. There are two types of charter. Voyage charter. Charter hires the ship for a specific voyage from one port to another. And then there are time charters, where charter hires the ship for a specified duration. During this period, charter plays the ship several times and earns freight. In our next video, we'll discuss Incoterms, shipment and destination terms, mode of carriage, bill of lading, seaway bills and airway bills. Thank you.